Haberstad BMW is about people, performance, passion. And that's why the readers of the Long Island Business News rated us Long Island's best automobile dealer. Here's the vehicle for you.
Imagine yourself in this 2007 BMW M6. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Get more for your money with this vehicle that features low mileage and dependability. With a reliable engine that responds quickly to its automatic transmission. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. Power and reliability are a great combination. This vehicle has both. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Haberstad BMW is conveniently located at 943 East Jericho Turnpike in Huntington Station, just 2 miles east of Route 110.